You're in a conversation, and suddenly you don't understand what they said. Your heart races, you panic, and you just say yes to everything. This lesson is for beginner English learners who hate that feeling. By the end, you'll know exactly what to say when you don't understand. Skip one phrase here, and you'll keep pretending you understand for years. Brian, when was the last time you nodded along but had no idea what someone said?
Yesterday, my neighbor talked for like 5 minutes.
And you just smiled?
The whole time, no clue what he said.
That's torture. Let's fix it. First thing, someone says something fast and you miss it. The easiest phrase is, sorry, what?
Just that?
Just that. It's super casual. Americans use it constantly. You can also say, sorry, what was that?
Not, can you repeat, please?
Too formal. Sounds like a robot. What was that is way more natural. Practice. Say, sorry, what was that?
Sorry, what was that?
Good. Again.
Sorry, what was that?
Perfect. Now, what if they repeat it, but you still don't get it?
Oh no.
Don't panic. Say, sorry, I didn't catch that. It means you didn't hear it clearly. Try it.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Nice. Americans won't get annoyed. We know English is hard. Now, here's a big one. They use a word you don't know. Don't ignore it. Ask. Say, what does that mean?
Really? I can just ask?
Absolutely. Or say, sorry, what's that? It shows you're listening.
I always thought that's embarrassing.
It's not. It's honest. People respect it. Way better than pretending. Let me give you an example. Someone says, we should grab brunch sometime. You don't know brunch. What do you say?
What does brunch mean?
Exactly. And they'll say, oh, it's breakfast and lunch together. See? Easy.
Okay, that helps.
Now, someone's talking too fast. You need them to slow down. Say, sorry, can you say that slower?
Not speak slowly?
You can, but say that slower sounds more natural, less like a command.
Got it.
Here's another good one. Could you say that again, please? That's polite and clear.
When do I use that versus just what?
What is super casual, with friends, coworkers, strangers at the store. Could you say that again is for professional situations, like your boss or a doctor.
Makes sense.
Now, big situation. Someone's explaining something complicated, directions, instructions, whatever. You're totally lost. Don't just nod. Say, sorry, I'm not following.
I'm not following.
It means you don't understand. Very common phrase. You can also say, wait, I'm confused.
That feels awkward to say.
It's not. People appreciate honesty. They'd rather explain again than have you do something wrong. Practice. Say, wait, I'm confused.
Wait, I'm confused.
Great. One more time.
Wait, I'm confused.
Awesome. Here's a trick. If you understood most of it but missed one part, point to that part. Say, sorry, I didn't get the last part. Or, what did you say about the time?
Oh, that's specific.
Exactly. It helps them know what to repeat, saves time.
What if someone uses slang I don't know?
Same thing. Ask. Say, what does that mean? Most Americans forget that slang is hard. They'll explain.
Like what?
Hang out, hit me up, my bad, all slang. Just ask.
Okay, what if I understand the words but not the idea?
Say, can you explain that differently? Or, I'm not sure I understand. That tells them to try another way.
Not, I don't understand?
You can say that, but I'm not sure I understand sounds softer, less direct.
Americans really like soft language.
We do. It feels polite. Now, here's something important, your pronunciation. Sometimes people don't understand you. They might say, what? Or, huh?
That's the worst feeling.
I know. Don't give up. Say it again slower. Or say, let me say that differently. Then use easier words.
Can I write it?
Yes. Say, let me write it. Or, how do you spell that? Writing helps a lot.
What if I'm on the phone? I can't see their face.
Phone is harder. Say, sorry, it's hard to hear. Can you repeat that? Blame the connection, not your English.
Smart.
Also, on the phone, confirm things. Say, so you said 3 o'clock, right? Repeat what you heard. They'll correct you if you're wrong.
That's really useful.
Quick review. Someone talks too fast, you say,
Sorry, what was that?
you don't know a word.
What does that mean?
You're lost in an explanation.
Wait, I'm confused.
Perfect. Last tip. If you're really struggling, it's okay to say, "My English isn't perfect. Can you help me understand?" People will slow down and use easier words.
I never thought of saying that.
Honesty works. Americans want to help. We're not judging your English, we just want to communicate. So stop pretending you understand. Ask questions. It gets easier every single time. Here's my question for you. What English word or phrase confuses you the most? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe for more lessons that actually help. See you next time.